got from us. It was clean. They thought I was staying in here. Y'all done seen everywhere I done stayed. Who? Who's standing here? I don't know what's going on, why my voiceover is not working, but that's okay. I am currently editing. This is future me. Hey, y'all. I'm looking busted, but that's okay. I came in to tell y'all what you're watching right now. What you are watching is basically a place that we were staying at that was filthy nasty, okay? They thought I was gonna be staying there. So what happened was, y'all know your girl always handles her business. Wherever I'm traveling to, I have my stuff booked, ready, I already know what I'm spending, things of that nature. So we booked this room, and it was a brand new room, you know, at this hotel. It was really nice. We were driving for about 10 hours. We were exhausted. We were tired. So we get to our room at about 12, maybe 1 o'clock in the morning. And the man tells me, oh, I'm sorry, we sold your room. Sir, how are you going to just sell my room? Well, I tried to call you 2 times. I tried to call you. Why are you calling me? It's reserved. And you told me that I could check in late. I believe it was like 3 a.m. was the latest you could check in. Whatever. So it wasn't that, okay? So he said, well, it's a Friday night and we sold the room, ma'am. I said, but it was reserved, sir. He said, well, I tried to charge your card. It didn't go through. Hence the reason I don't give y'all my card, because I don't need no extra charges or people charging me without my permission. I'm not here. Why are you charging my card, sir? Make it make sense. So, needless to say, he was unable to charge the card. So, he canceled the room. So, we are out here, 12 o'clock in the morning, searching for a place to sleep, tired, exhausted, okay? And this is what they had to offer. It was a whole lot of what y'all just seen. So, I had to share that. I just had to share, because it was a definite hell no for me. Well, guys, this is the best we could do. It's not too bad. I mean, this is kind of, yeah. This is why I plan my trips accordingly, because when you don't, it's what you get. They don't have to worry about me sitting in that shit at all. My babies are sleepy, ready to crash, but it's where we're at.
So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
I will say this one's not as pretty as some of the others.
It's okay. It's so delicious though, you know? I love these things. Yummy, yummy. Hey y'all. Hey girl, hey. Hey boo, hey. Y'all, we're gonna start this vlog off today cooking dinner, okay? This vlog may end up at the end of another vlog. Either way it goes, if you're new to the crew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss another video. Make sure you turn on make sure you turn on the notification bell and it's set to all so that you'll be notified every time I upload. Y'all, today I'm about to make my famous chicken Kiev, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I vlogged something else today, so you won't see this at the end of today's vlog, but you will see this at the beginning of one vlog or at the end of another vlog. So let me tell you what you're gonna need before I get off camera, because I'm not gonna be on camera. My hands will, but I won't be on camera. I'm literally gonna show you guys how I make it. You're gonna need some chicken breasts. You need some fresh herbs. My fresh herbs of choice that I'm gonna be using today is some thyme. If you don't know what fresh herbs is, you can get these at Walmart over by where the salads and stuff is. So I'm gonna use some chives and thyme. Thyme is like the most important ingredient, but use whatever herbs you like, okay? You're gonna need some butter, not margarine, okay? Real butter, guys. You need butter. You're gonna need some sour cream is, not sour cream. Cream cheese is optional. You could just use butter, or you can spruce it up with the cream cheese like what I'm gonna do today. You're gonna need some breadcrumbs or some panko. Whichever floats your boat, okay? Right now, I'm sitting here. Let me sit y'all down. Snacking on a bagel and making me something to drink because I'm super thirsty. So I got my little Starbucks cup. Y'all, I am so addicted, like so addicted to the icy berry lemonade, ooh, and the strawberry. I am so addicted, but that's not what I'm drinking right now. Oh, my stomach. Yes, I like a lot of ice. I like a lot of ice. I like it. But what I'm drinking right now is some flavored water. This is Nestle flavored water, because I'm thirsty and I don't want no regular water. I just don't have a taste for regular water. And that holds a full bottle, of course, with some ice. And then we're gonna stir her up. Make sure she real frosty. Okay, and we got something to sip on while we cook. Real easy peasy. Y'all don't judge my nails. This was done intentionally. Dare to be different, okay? Got one nail real long, different shape. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Whatever. Let's get to cooking.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. much. Got a policy, didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Wanna go back in time when everything seems so clear, and when the problems we carried weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah, start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. to party, to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make